Hey, you know, that area, if you're talking Schererville, Munster, around Dyer, all the way down to maybe Remington, you're talking about towns that have had 10 inches of rain this month.
Crazy.
I mean, it has been crazy, and they're going to get some more in the next few days, so that's really not going to help that sinkhole situation there.
And you say it's kind of the same pattern we're going to see the next several days.
Very much so, and I think that we're probably going to see more rain later today. This is a look at the radar, Bruce and Julia, and off to our north, there's some rain this morning around Rockford, Illinois, Davenport, Iowa, but all in all, we're pretty good this morning. I don't really anticipate any rain here. In fact, downtown, it's actually clear at 4:49. Hope you're off to a good start this morning. Currently 69, and yes, it is really, really humid. So those of you who have been blessed with hair, be prepared. It's going to be one of those bad hair days. A lot of humidity, not just today, but the next few days. Some of you will see morning fog. That is not an issue right now, but it is going to be very humid. And notice scattered thunderstorms. Now, here in Indianapolis, we haven't had much rain. We really haven't had some last night. But around the state, some of these rain amounts are very significant. This is this month. Rossville, east of Lafayette, 8.5 inches of rain. Monticello, out by Indiana Beach, a little over 7.25. In Noblesville, at our WeatherBug station in Noblesville High School, almost 5.5 inches of rain this month, while downtown at Lucas Oil Stadium, about where we would be this time of year. In fact, actually a little below at 2.81. So today, we will see some scattered thunderstorms. If you're going to the Indians game tonight, 2-for-1 Tuesday, we're the official weather station of the Tribe, and I do not think it's going to rain all night. I do think that we will have at least a chance of some scattered thunderstorms as the Tribe take the field against the evil Louisville Bats. In the meantime, the heat continues. The jet stream bowing well to the north. That's going to allow this heat just to flourish the next few days. The average high this time of year is 84, and yes, we will be above that today. Here's our latest computer model, and again, scattered showers and thunderstorms will pop up during the day, possibly more than what this is showing. We'll start out tomorrow dry, but it'll be warm and humid, and that heat and humidity, it's going to create a lot of instability in the atmosphere, so we will see waves of showers and thunderstorms move through, not just Wednesday, but I think really on Thursday too. None of these days, by the way, are we expecting all-day rain, but we are expecting chances of showers and thunderstorms. We're going to go 88 for a high today, 70 degrees tonight, and then as we move on into the next few days, 88 to 86 tomorrow, 84 degrees on Thursday, Friday 88, and Bruce and Julia heading into the big Labor Day weekend. Thunderstorms possible, but a little cooler with highs 82 Sunday and Monday.